In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales. Check my video description for the save file download link. Scroll down and check the manual download option and check slow download option. Once download done, check the folder icon, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Navigate to documents, Miles Morales, random number. Before dropping the 100% save, backup your game progress and drop your game saves inside and drop this save file in this location and launch the game. And as you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.